Hi
Hi
guys, my name is Anita.
And my name is Sai. Today we're going to show you solving system of equation.
A system of equations is two equations, one with two variables, another with one variable that can solve for the variable. When you have a negative and a positive, it's going to equal negative. And when you have a negative and a negative, it equals a positive.
So today we have this problem: 6x minus 4y equals 30. X equals 6. So whenever there's a variable of x, you have to plug in the 6. So right here we're going to put 6, and then this 6 into parentheses, and the y, negative 4y, and 30. And this 2 give me 36 equal 4y equal 30. And you have to minus both sides by 36 to get y alone. So this 2 cancel, and 4y equal negative 6 because you subtract from this to this. And then you have to divide by negative 4 in order to get y alone. So right here you will have y equal negative 3 over 2 because this. So it's going to equal y equal 3 over 2 because this negative and negative equal positive. So that's why I have positive answers.
So we have ax subtract 2y equals 40. X equals 10. So if 10, the parentheses, subtract 2y equals 40. So this equals 80. Subtract 2y equals 40. So then we have to subtract 80 from here and 80 from here. So this is going to cross out. So you just bring everything down. It's going to be negative 40. So now what you have to do is you have to get the y by itself. So it's going to be negative 2 and 2. Negative 2, right? So you cross this one out too. So you have 40, negative 40, and negative 2 equals y equals 20. And that's your final answer. So it equals positive 20 because negative 40 and negative time multiply, negative 2 equals positive.
And don't forget to watch your sign.
Thank you for watching.